This section will deal with working out drip rates, and you must learn the following formula. The volume divided by hours multiplied by the number of drops divided by 60. The reason why it's divided by 60 is because you're normally asked to work out the number of drops per minute. Okay, so all you must do is put the values from the question into this formula. So in our first example, we are told that the volume is 1000 mils. And 1000 mils is to be infused over 12 hours, just 1000 divided by 12, and the given set delivers 20 drops per mil, so therefore it's 20 over 60. First step I would always encourage you to do is to simplify this. So 20 over 60, you can take off your top and bottom, and then you can divide the 2 and the 6 both by 2, and you'll get left with 1/3. So you can always simplify 20 over 60 to 1/3. The next thing I'd encourage you to do is to multiply across. So you have 1000 times 1, which is 1000, and 12 times 3 is 36. Okay, the next thing to do, rather than do a long division sum, all you need to do is to simplify this fraction. And you do that by trying to divide by 2 top and bottom. But obviously this will only work if both of your numbers are even. So if they weren't even, then try to divide by 3. If that doesn't work, try 5. If that doesn't work, try 7. But you should always be able to simplify so that the bottom number in the fraction will be 12 or less. Okay, so 1000 divided by 36. If I divide the top by 2, I get 500. The bottom by 2, I get 18. I can go again. If I divide the top by 2, 250. Divide the bottom by 2, I get 9. Now it's much easier to divide 250 by 9. So we have 9 divided into 250. 9 into 2 doesn't go. Carry the 2 over. 9 into 25 goes twice. And 7 left over. 9 into 70 goes 7 times. And 7 left over. Make sure you put in the decimal point and that they're in a straight line. 9 into 70 also goes 7 times. And obviously you're going to have a recurring decimal here. So the nearest whole number, the answer will be 28 drops per minute. Okay, we'll try one other example. This time a bloods question. So we need to use the same formula, but this time we've got slightly different values. So we're told a patient is to receive 1 unit of cells over 4 hours, and the given set delivers 15 drops per mil. 1 unit contains 250 mils, so calculate the drip rate. The volume is therefore 250 mils. The number of hours is 4, and we're going to multiply by 15 over 60, because it's a bloods question. Once again, start with this bit and simplify it. Think of 15 out of 60 as in a quarter of an hour. So you simplify that to 1/4, then multiply across. You get 250 divided by 16, and then simplify these even numbers by dividing by 2, 125 divided by 8. And then it's fairly straightforward to divide 125 by 8. You can, if you wish, put in your decimal points at the start so that they're there. 8 into 1 doesn't go, carry the 1 over. 8 into 12 goes once, carry 4 over. 8 into 45 goes 5 times, carry 5 over. 8 into 50 goes 6 times. And we can stop there because we just need to give our answer to the nearest whole number. So therefore the answer would be 16 drops per minute. Now have a go to see if you can put these methods into practice for the example questions below.